Hi everyone! Welcome back to Viet Flavors, where we bring the vibrant tastes of Vietnam right into your kitchen. Today we're making a classic comfort dish, Vietnamese Crab Fried Rice. It's savory, aromatic, and perfect for any meal. Fried rice dishes are a staple across Asian cuisine, and there's a fun bit of history here. They likely started as a clever way to use up leftover scraps from previous meals. Nothing goes to waste. Today, we're taking that humble tradition and giving it a luxurious twist with sweet, delicate crab meat. Before we get started, let's talk about the secret to great fried rice. Always use cold rice. Ideally, you want rice that's been cooked the day before and chilled in the fridge overnight. This helps the grains stay separate and gives you that perfect, non-mushy texture. Here's what you'll need. 2.5 cups cold rice, 250 grams crab meat, 50 grams peas, 1 medium white onion, 3 egg yolks, 4 green onions, 1.5 tablespoons freshly minced garlic, 1.5 tablespoons freshly minced shallots, and a few simple seasonings. Let's get started. First, let's make our sauce. In a small bowl, mix 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of spicy crab paste, and 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. Set that aside. We'll use it to bring everything together later. Now, in a mixing bowl, combine your cold rice with 3 egg yolks. Give it a good mix so every grain gets coated. This is going to give our fried rice a beautiful golden color and a rich flavor. Next, separate your green onions. Finely chop the white parts for the crab, and roughly chop the green parts for garnish. Dice up your white onion as well. For the crab, we'll marinate it with 1/2 teaspoon of mushroom powder, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, and those chopped white green onions. Give it a gentle mix and set it aside. Let's start cooking. Heat a little oil in a skillet over high heat. Add half of your minced garlic and shallots and sauté until fragrant. Then, toss in the marinated crab meat. Stir fry just until it's heated through and smells amazing. Set it aside for now. In a larger skillet, add a bit more oil and the rest of your garlic and shallots. Sauté until fragrant. Then add in your rice and egg yolk mixture. Stir well, making sure the rice is evenly coated. Now, pour in that delicious sauce we made earlier. Mix it all together. Then add your peas, diced onion, and the cooked crab meat. Keep stirring until everything is well combined and the rice grains are dry and separate. Once your rice is perfectly cooked, turn off the heat and sprinkle over those fresh green onions. Give it one last stir. And there you have it, Vietnamese crab fried rice ready to enjoy. It's fragrant, flavorful, and a wonderful way to turn simple ingredients into something special. Thanks for cooking with me today on Viet Flavors. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. See you next time.